So this is our project, a display of an 8 by 8 LED cube. So we started by getting the LEDs first, and then connecting all the cathodes together, forming a row, and then connecting it again to another row. So all in all, there are 8 rows.
That consists of a plate.
Yeah.
A plate or a layer.
Yes. So it is the first layer. After that, we connected another 7 layers to the first layer, shorting it all together.
Yes. I agree.
So the effects are first the stars, then the blinking, the zooming of the boxes diagonally and from the center, then the moving of a box from up and down, and then um a snake style, then a frame, then fireworks, then gift, then I heart you with a smiley face and an exclamation point.
So we have more or less 20 kinds of effects.
Okay, let's count.
Okay, count.
Okay.
Those are the
Oh,
fireworks.
let us count the effects.
Ready?
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Hey, so we have 19 effects. You're very good. That ends our presentation.